Hello, Ed Walshin here at Walser Subaru St. Paul, just coming to you with a brand new informational video on Subaru's latest upholstery offering, which is known as StarTex. And for the purpose of this tutorial today, we're going to be using a Subaru Outback Wilderness. So why don't you join me and let's head in the car. All right, welcome inside the vehicle now, and here you can see the StarTex seating in all of its glory. Now, the StarTex seating was first debuted in 2020 in the Subaru Outback Onyx vehicle, and right now it is available in 6 of the 9 Subaru offerings and in 8 different trim levels. The cars in which it's offered would be the Subaru Ascent Onyx, the Outback Onyx, the Subaru Crosstrek Sport, the Forester Wilderness, Outback Wilderness, and yes, even the new 2023 Subaru Solterra, the first all-electric vehicle from Subaru, in which it will be offered in the limited and touring packages. All right, now the first question to answer would be, is StarTex seating environmentally friendly? And the answer would be absolutely yes, because this is a green-friendly, vegan material that is chemically based. Therefore, it's a much more responsible choice than that of leather, and I guarantee you the cows will approve. Now, for those of you who are very environmentally friendly and may want to know, are there any models of these vehicles that do not offer leather, I would steer you to the base model options, for they'll simply offer cloth seating and no leather wrapping around the steering wheel or on the shift knob. All right, so the next question would be, okay, it's good for animals, but what about me? Well, the StarTex seating, the benefits of that is that it is more durable than either cloth or leather, and it's a water-repellent material that still breathes, where you can literally brush off moisture. As well, it's going to keep your car cooler in the summer months than leather and warmer in the winter months than leather. And due to the fact that it's StarTex, it actually weighs less than leather, so a vehicle that has StarTex seating will weigh even less than leather. The next question be, what is StarTex made of? Well, StarTex comes from a polyurethane, which is another key word for synthetic plastic, of which the backing of these seats are made of 25% recycled polyethylene, which comes from the acronym PET that you often see on plastic water bottles. All right, now in relation to how this feels, the StarTex seating that you'll see here is actually very comfortable and yet supportive. And it's actually designed by Subaru to mimic that of a cowhide. So when you actually look at the material, you can't really tell whether it's StarTex seating or whether it's leather seating. Now, the added benefit for me doing this tutorial today on the StarTex is that I happen to own a 2021 Crosstrek Sport with the StarTex seating, and I must say it was probably one of the surprise elements of my purchase on the Crosstrek. The reason is because of its overall moisture wicking capabilities. For example, the first week I owned the vehicle, I spilled a dipped ice cream cone in the front seat. I simply used the napkins I had on me at the time. By the time I got home, I used a little mild soap and water, and the next morning I came out to the vehicle and it looked like absolutely nothing even happened. So again, a very durable seating, and as well, if you spill water, coffee, soda, whatever it would be, it's very easy to wipe off with either your hand, a paper towel, or a cloth. All right, so this marks the end of our tutorial on the StarTex package. I simply just want to remind you that I hope by today's video you've learned just what a durable and long-lasting material the StarTex is. You can either stop in person and ask for me, Ed, or any of my fellow customer specialists who will be happy to help you, or you can also give us a call or go to our website at walsersubarustpaul.com. So I thank you again for joining me, and we'll see you next time.